MPCC President Okram Ibobi launched a scathing attack on the central government today, stating it has utterly failed to curb terrorism and resolve the prolonged crisis in Manipur despite claims by the Prime Minister and Union Home Minister to eliminate terrorism from the country. He was speaking at the Anti-Terrorism Day observance at Congress Bhavan on BT Road, which marks the 35th death anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. The former Chief Minister further stated that the observance has become deeply relevant given the state's current volatile situation. He criticized the central leadership for remaining a mute spectator while the people of Manipur endure untold miseries due to the protracted unrest. He pointed out that the stark contradiction between the centre's inaction and the repeated public promises made by the Prime Minister and Union Home Minister to completely root out terrorism from the country.
Center the Paliba India government Sri Modi Jina Lusingba Aduga Union Home Minister Sri Amit Sahana Home Minister Wedna Paidna Makoina Ngangiba each and every day highway every alternate day highway terrorism highway Mashi Akoi Kangbanga Moy zero tolerance di Haina India Mafamda maybe Jammu Kashmir the Kangde or maybe Nationalite na kanba mafam sing the Kangde Amakangde terrorism je Akoi Machi Akoi Kangnan Labor Yaroi zero tolerance other terrorism Maru Pano Mutakada Niana louder labor. Whereas in Manipur context Yengurgadi Manipur the Karito Novo Moy. How's it Mayam Hena Kangire make it third again me Tanis home Hena hot cray innocent Adudagi me Kayama more than 30 people where about come to the missing total lady Ado Nasim Maxichu how's it Maran Legend Missem Me Taruk Captive the Tami High Amada Tami High. Karino Manipur say Manipur the terrorism Dum Yarabra Dum Tado Obraba. Ying the lady Bahujik Tauri say strongly condemned Tawi.